let's find patterns on the piano. The pattern on the piano is really only 12 keys. Those keys repeat with another pattern again, and again, and again, and again, and they keep going until we run out of notes. You can see the pattern clearly because of the black keys of the piano. We have groups of 2 black keys together and groups of 3 black keys together. Notice the space that separates the black key groups. We like to call the piano Keyboard Boulevard, which we can go up and down. So on the boulevard, we have houses, the people house with the 3 black keys, and the dog house in the backyard with 2 black keys. But the rooftops are missing. We're going to add rooftops to the top of the black key sets so we can find all the houses on the street. Here's my red 3x5 card folded in half, which I'm going to place on top of each set of 3 black keys, just like that. That'll make the rooftop for all the people houses. Then add one to each set of 3 black keys. Look carefully. You may have noticed there's one little black key at the bottom all by himself. You can just skip that one. It's okay. It's part of the set of 3 black keys, but his 2 buddies aren't there, so we'll just skip it for now. Now that we have all the 3 black keys, people, rooftops covered up, we can play the piano going up and down on the 2 black keys using fingers 2 and 3. As you play going up the piano, start with your left hand. Jump up and over the rooftop as you play and bounce. Woo! Fly over. Keep going up and over all the way to the middle of the piano. Once you get to the middle, you can switch and use your right hand. Finger 2 and 3 on the 2 black keys. Jump and launch over the rooftop. Up we go! Take your time. Make sure you place your fingers right on the black keys. We did it! Now let's go back down the same way. Right hand, finger 2 and 3 on the 2 black keys, jump up and over the rooftops. Be careful not to take this little shortcut path here. We want to try and go up and over the piano. Up and over we go. And here in the middle we switch. Left hand, 2 and 3 black keys, jump, up and over. One more. Yay, we made it! Let's change all the red rooftops on the people houses to the yellow rooftops on all the dog houses. All the dog houses are set, so now we can play on 3 black keys. Let's use the left hand low to start. Finger 2, 3, and 4 should be lined up, so each finger is on 1 black key. Pinky and thumb should relax to the side. Press and jump over the rooftop to land on the next set of black keys. Let's start. And switch to right hand. 2, 3, 4 on the 3 black keys. Jump and lift. We did it! Now let's bring it back down. Right hand, you get to start this time. 2, 3, 4. Remember to jump up and over. Switch to the left hand. We made it. If you're ready to move on to the next step, let's take all the rooftops away and see if we can play this again using our eyes to find the pattern of black keys on the piano. All the rooftops are gone, so now we can try finding the pattern with our eyes only. Left hand, get ready. We're going to start on 2 black keys low and go up the piano. Now right hand. Let's bring it back down. Right hand, 2 black keys. Up and over. And switch to left hand. Awesome. Let's play on the 3 black keys this time, just as before. 2, 3, 4, lined up. Ready to go up and over. Woo! Switch to right hand. One more. We did it! Yay! If you're ready for a little more of a challenge, a little extension of what we did, you can line up your fingers as before, but this time play 1 finger at a time rather than bouncing together. We still want to have the lift as we switch to the next set of keys. So it'll sound like this. Finger 3, finger 2, lift and play again in the next spot. 3, 2, and up and over. 3, 2, up and over. 3, 2, up and over. 3, 2, and let's switch to the right hand. This time, right hand's going to play 2, 3 finger like that in a row. The tune will sound the same. 2, 3, up and over. 2, 3, up and over. 2, 3, up and over. Last one. 2, 3. We made it to the top. Let's bring it back down. Right hand this time, let's play finger 3 and then 2. 3, 2, and up and over. 3, 2, up and over. 3, 2, up and over. 3, 2, and switch to the left hand. This time, pointers first. 2, and then 3. Okay, here we go. 2, 3, up and over. 2, 3, up and over. 2, 3, up and over. One more. 2, 3. Great job, everybody. We're doing it. We're playing the piano. Yay! I'll line up my fingers as before, but start with only finger 4, then 3, and then 2. It'll sound like this. 4, 3, 2. Then lift up and over. We play again. 4, 3, 2. And up and over again. Let's do one more. 4, 3, 2. When you switch to right hand, the finger numbers will change. 2, 3, and 4. Let's try this one. 2, 3, 4. Up and over and play again. 2, 3, 4. And again. 2, 3, 4. And one more. 2, 3, 4. And done. We can bring it back down too. Line up your right hand, 2, 3, 4, just as you did before. But this time going down, we'll start with 4 finger, then switch to 3 finger, then switch to 2. Sounds like this. 4, 3, 2. Up and over, and we play it again. 4, 3, 2. Up and over and play again. 4, 3, 2. One more. 4, 3, 2. Let's switch to left hand. This time going down, finger 2, finger 3, finger 4. Here we go. 2, 3, 4. Up and over. 2, 3, 4. And again. 2, 3, 4. And one more. 2, 3, 4. We made it! Woo! There's many variations on playing the black keys. The idea is to have some fun and get familiar with the pattern. You could play all the keys going up, every pattern in a row, or even try one finger at a time in each spot. Maybe even come up with your own little tune. Have some fun with it. Coming up is the black key improv. When we get to this, you can play the black keys in any way you like, going up and down, fingers together, or one at a time, and you can explore the sounds of the piano. There's one song that's more lyrical and beautiful and slow, and another one that's a little more lively and upbeat. So there's different styles of music, but the keys are the same. It's all about the energy and enthusiasm or calmness that you put into the piano keys and how you play. You might also try playing stronger or lighter to see what kinds of dynamics you can create.